Welcome back to another video, guys. This time we got a 2015. We got something other than a brake job. I got a 2015 Chrysler Town Country 3.6. The idiot light is on, aka money light, aka check engine light. We're gonna go through this together. Let's light this baby up. Oh, where are we? The customer has already brought it to one of our friendly neighborhood parts stores, chain parts stores. I believe she got in the zone, and they have already put it through a full diagnostic for her. And although they may be right, they may be wrong, we still have to check it properly. Or we could guess. No. They told her she needed. I got rid of that glare a little bit. That might work. Let's see if I bring it a little bit closer. Alright, that might do. Maybe not. How's that? I believe they told her she needed an ambient air temp sensor. Yeah, P0073 Ambient air temp sensor. Circuit high. And I'm willing to bet the freeze frame data on this is going to be useless. And unfortunately it is. Funny, it would give you a code for an ambient air temp sensor, but won't give you the actual data in the freeze frame, because that would make too much sense. Let's check it real quick. It's gonna be none of that stuff. Come on. There we go. Intake air temp, ambient temperature 68 degrees, and it is a full almost 5 volts. Simple enough. 2-wire sensor runs at a 5-volt reference with a signal back to the PCM to tell it basically what the temperature is at. It converts the resistance into a temperature. Or I should say it converts, I said that wrong. It converts the voltage and interprets it as a temperature. Yeah, that's about right. I don't know why they would make 68 degrees with 5 volts, but that would tell me that the circuit is open, or the sensor is reading a complete open. Had it been shorted, it would have read 0. So let's go outside. We'll take a quick look for it. It's usually sitting up in the front by the radiator, usually behind some shield. I did happen to notice on the way in. How's this? I did happen to notice on the way in that the bumper looked like it had an argument with another obstacle and lost. It looks like it's been repainted and touched up. And it's usually right behind the bumpers where the ambient temp sensor lives. This may want to be a quick one, which would be good. I could use one of those. I have to get my butt kicked for a couple days. Now, this is the bumper. I don't know if you can tell. It looks like it's been pushed out and spray painted with a can. I believe there's some paint on the license plate. Looks like they got some paint on the grill. And usually the temperature sensor is living right back in there somewhere. So let's see if we can get underneath. Maybe lift. Well, yeah, maybe we'll lift it up and see if we can find it. Oh, well. Sometimes the obvious is obvious. You guys see that? That's the sensor hanging right there. And the clip looks like it's broken. It's supposed to get clipped up in here somewhere. I think we are just going to go ahead and unplug this baby. And we'll give it a quick resistance test. Simple. 2-wire. That's basically it. Let's get that thing out of here. Let's get this thing over here. Boom! Knock some stuff over. If you're real close, it looks like it's broken right there. Let me pull up the, look, it's cracked right there. We'll give it a quick resistance check anyway. We'll do it right. Besides, it gives me a real nice opportunity to use my AESWave Terminal Kit, which I love. I will put a link in the description to it. I highly recommend it. I want to thank Erico and Keith for recommending it. Woohoo! Spec is about 5 ohms. Forget my right wire here. Let's open it up. Ooh! Can you guys see that? No, you can't see that because I got to point in the wrong direction. I do believe it does have a stand, right? There it goes. There it goes. Yeah, look at that. Watch this. Yep. Yep. It's a goner. Yeah. Let's go pick one up. Alright, show you guys real quick. New sensor is in. New sensor is hooked up. New sensor is reading like it's supposed to. Woohoo! New sensor is going in the car. And then we'll cross our fingers. Nah, we know it's going to work. There we go. And let's go check it out. The only good thing about finishing this up is I get to sit in the air conditioning for 2 minutes. Unfortunately, it doesn't work that good. But, come on. Too much information. Ambient temp voltage, 1.8. That's a little better. Still not sure why it says 68 degrees. Although the voltage is correct. Maybe we should go back. Let's do a quick clear engine. So much for sitting in air conditioning. That's good. That's good. And I want to do that. Oh, my ambient temperature is good. My temperature is a little weird. I may have to look into the strategy on that. That's got me a little puzzled. But the light usually pops right on, and it hasn't. I'm not quite sure if that just may be a bad line of data. I don't know. Maybe I'll grab another scan tool and verify it. But I will road test it and we'll double check it. If there's anything strange that comes out of this, oh, and if there's anything, where am I? I'm over here. Oh, fumble. Yeah, is that better? It's a little better. All right, I'll road test it. I'll look into that ambient temperature being 68 degrees and kind of stuck there. I don't know if I quite understand it. It may be irrelevant. I know the temp voltage is good. It's not stuck at 5 volts. And maybe that's simple. Probably when she wrapped the bumper, she probably snapped the sensor. It was broken. The bumper looks like it's been manhandled. Sometimes obvious works. And if there's anything to report on that, like I said, I will. And that's it. Nice quick one. Once in a while, I get a quick one. I'm gonna go change about 30 foot of brake line in this car I got on the lift. Everything is rotted. Looks like it came right out of Eric's area. And that's it, guys. I'm gonna go get busy. It's still hot out. I hope everybody's having a great day. Click the button, ring the bell, all that other good stuff, and I'll try to keep you entertained. Have a good day.